this video, I'm going to show you how you can view campaign reports on NisWire. So search for any contact on HubSpot. Once you open the contact, navigate to the NisWire CRM card, click on Actions, click on Start Campaign. Now you'll be able to see the screen, and if you click on Campaigns, you will be able to see the list of your campaigns. Now if you click on Details, you can view the screen. So it essentially has these details. For example, the number of contacts that are enrolled, when was the last time this campaign was processed, to how many contacts it was sent, how many messages were failed, and if you enable only, then the campaign will run, and so on and so forth. Now if you want to view a more detailed campaign report, you can click on the campaign report here, as you can see. So in this screen, you'll be able to view a more detailed performance of your campaign. So for example, the number of campaigns that were run and the duration in which they were run, the number of messages sent, contacts who became opportunity, people who showed some level of interest in your product or your service, and contacts who became paying customers, total messages sent, the success sent rate of those messages, number of deals created, so the number of sales opportunities that were generated in a particular time period, and the number of deals won or closed. You can also view a more consolidated campaign wise performance of all your campaigns here as well. Now if in case you have difficulty understanding any terminology, you can click on this button and it will have the definition of all the terms that I mentioned and how they are calculated. Want to download your report, you can click here and download it as well.